This video will show you how to cancel your Xfinity internet.
So if you want to cancel your Xfinity internet, then here's how exactly to do it without a hassle. You should first log into your Xfinity account, then you should go in xfinity.com or open your app on your phone if you have, then go to the account section and scroll to your services, then look for manage plans. Heads up, you can't cancel fully online. You'll need to chat or call someone from their support service. Click Chat with Xfinity Assistant or call 1-800-Xfinity and say, I want to cancel my internet service, and be direct to avoid being transferred endlessly. They might offer you deals to stay or just say no if you're sure, and ask for the final bill date and how to return your equipment. Return all modems and routers to an Xfinity store, nearest store, or UPS store, and keep your return receipt. Seriously, that's your proof. That's it. Xfinity cancelled and no surprises. Like,